Yeah, welcome to FXPG Global Limited. And today is the 8th of February 2023. And we are continuing with our analysis. Like I told us last week that we'll be expecting to see dollar index hit this level for us, but then we anticipated seeing them pulling back first before going to the upside, but they kept consolidating. Market has not really moved until we got this particular push that is today. All right. So now we are actually was expecting to see market give at least 50% of this retracement and possibly into this fair value gap before it goes to the upside. And let me show us guys what I'm expecting to see out of this particular trade. I'm taking out this. I'm taking out this. So I have structure broken. Then in between here and here, I have a fair value gap. If you go to lower time frame, this is actually structural break. I have a fair value gap here. So what I'll be expecting to see is I'll be expecting to see this market do this, tap into this fair value gap, then push back down, come to this level here. Anything from here, I'll be expecting a reversal. Anything from here, then before I was expecting any push to the upside. So possibly this is what I'll be expecting to see out of this particular trade. This is an update on our analysis, please. It's an update on our analysis, please. So when you're trading, you'll be guided. So anything from this level here, I'll be expecting a push above the upper part. Now the question is, why is it like this? If you go to daily time frame, you'll find out that here we'll have a fair value gap. So this market need to come back down to this place to be able to take away this liquidity on the upside here. So that is what we'll be expecting out of this particular trade. Then the next one we need to check also is the EURUSD. Then the EURUSD has hit this point. They didn't give us a pullback as much as we anticipated, but then we wanted it to come down here to this level, and which they give us, all right? Then got mitigated here. So we'll be expecting them to let us straight down to the upside before any more move. So let's go to daily so we can know exactly where this market is headed next. So I'm zooming in and I'm taking out this. So here we see that market need to come back to this gap here before you push to downside. So for now, there's a fair value gap here, which market has tapped into. So market needs to go to the upside. So we'll be looking for a short buy to the upside. All right. When it gets to this upside here, we'll be expecting a push down. All right. We'll be expecting a push down. So that is what we'll be expecting to see. So we'll be expecting them to pull back to enter this fair value gap here. So once they got into this fair value gap, then I'll be expecting them to go down to take away this level. All right. So that is what we'll be expecting to see here. Then, so our bias is still on a sell, but we would like to see them. Our bias is still on a sell, but we want to see them, take out that liquidity to that particular side. This is a block on daily time frame. So let's go to 4 hours and see exactly what I'm watching out on 4 hours. And then let's zoom out. So we can be able to see this thing clearly. That this is the level or what we want the market to hit. And as we can see, market has done something here on 4 hours that's broken a structure, which is this structure here. Return back to this OB to go to the upside. Let's go to lower time frame, like 1 hour for clarity. For clarity, market has done a stop hunt, right? This is a stop hunt. Then here also we'll have a break of market structure to the upside, all right? Then after that, return back to this particular order block. It's returned back to this OB here, then entry for a buy here. So you meet this buy setup, you go to lower time frame like 15 minutes to still look for a setup. So here also we'll have DXY internal liquidity. So we should be expecting to see this guy give us this particular push down. All right. Something like this, either to the upside first, take away this liquidity, then come down, play with your motion, tap into this other block and push up. So here also we'll have a block here that we would like them to come and tap into. So when they come back to this place, we'll be on a buy to the upside. Right, so that is just to show you how to take an entry on this particular trade. So, but then you know that will be on a bias. Our bias will be on a short buy to the upside. Once we get to this FVG, then we'll be going down, down, down. And by then, we're going to take away this liquidity. So we'll be targeting this particular level here. So, having done this, we're going straight to the next one, which is GBPUSD. GBPUSD played 100% as we analyzed. So we are going to go back to daily time frame and see what we're looking at on daily time frame and what will possibly still happen on this chart. So we're going to do one thing here, zoom in, and I'll zoom out. Let me take out all these stuff here for clarity. Good, for clarity. So here we'll have market has tapped into this fair value gap here. So because market has entered this fair value gap here, what do we expect? We expect a low, kind of a short, to go short that will take out this low, all right? And then get mitigated here, this OB that we'll have here. So what we need to do now is let's go to 4 hours. We know market has gotten in there, so let's go to 4 hours and see what we're looking at on 4 hours. And as I said, possibly, is there any fair value gap that is to the upside that has not been mitigated? Of course, there's a fair value gap here, so we'll have this OB. Then possibly, I would like to see a kind of a push like this to the upside, tap into this level, then go down. This network is something else. So I would like to see something like this. This is what I'm expecting from this pair. So my bias is still sell, but I'm expecting to see something like this after the Asian range. Then my bias is on sell. I will be expecting to see something like this happen. So if it goes up to take away this liquidity, then grab it, tap into this fair value gap here. Then I'll be on a sell to downside. So here we'll see have a fair value gap here. Wow. So once market enter this fair value gap, I will be on a sell down. All right. Or possibly when it wants to give me a sell setup here, of course, I will look forward to sell. But I would like to see them take away this liquidity to the upside here before the going down. Then the next one is gold. Then gold has been accumulating. Of course, guys should know that this is a flag. So we have this accumulation. Of course, we know market is going to sell. All right. So let's go to daily and see what happens in daily time frame. So can give a good judgment on what we'll be expecting that will happen here. So I will take out those lines here. And let's keep this here so we can be able to tell if that place has been mitigated or not. It's just like an inducement level. So here we'll have market has gotten to this particular fair value gap here, right? Tap into this fair value gap. So we want to see them go below to take away this low. Okay. So our bias is going to be on the sell. So we'll have the high volume the high volume level here, all right? So we'll have to, as it's going up, we need to sell to downside. So what we're going to do is to go back to 4-hour time frame and look at what is happening in 4-hour time frame. Ask ourselves question, this market has been here, it tapped into this level, came back, tapped into this, to take away this high, taking away this particular high, accumulating a level here. So we need the market to tap into this fair value gap here, then to go down. So I will be expecting to see anything that will make this market do like this to the upside and then to downside. All right, that is what I'm expecting to see from this chart. But let's go straight to lower time frame, like 2 hour, like 1 hour or thereabouts, so we can see if there's anything more we're looking at there. Good. So we have market has been giving us those push to the upside, and possibly we might see markets give us this. Right, there's a little fair value gap here. After tapping into it now, we'll see a push to the upside. Once it gets to this level, I'll be looking forward to see any kind of setup that will sell this market to downside. That is still what I will still be looking at. My bias will remain the same in those time frames. So I want to see them go up and then come down. That is what I want to see. They want to take away, they want to clear this level for me, take out this liquidity level for me, then tap into this fair value gap. Then I will be on the sell. So the next one is AUD-USD. AUD-USD performed just as we anticipated. We said this market will need to come up here, all right, tap into this level here, then go down. So which we've gotten, it came down, there's a fair value gap here, entered the fair value gap, go to the upside. All right, so I would like to see this guy do something like this, you know, a little push from here into this level here, and then begin to give us a break of structure to come down. That is what I'll be still be expecting from this particular chart. This is an update on what has been analyzed already. So once we get something like this, so this is the fair value gap that I'm expecting market to get to. Once market come to this level here, I will be on a sell. I will be on a sell. So that is what we'll be expecting to see on this trade. Then the next one is, I think we've gone AUD-USD. Okay. Okay. Then we'll have this, which is USD-CAD. USD-CAD played 100% as we anticipated. When this market was there, I told us that we still want to see them go down, all right? Because the market fulfilled 100% of our analysis. So we're still in the game. So, but then before we continue, we have to go straight to daily time frame and ask ourselves a question like, what has happened here? What is happening here? And what might happen here again? So here we have market has entered this fair value gap here, right? Let's see the amount that when this market has entered this fair value gap, this market need to take away this previous high, right? So need to take away this previous high, which is now the liquidity level for us. Okay. So what we'll be expecting to see is we'll be expecting to see this market go to the upside. And before then, they will take out this day low. They will take out this particular day low. When they take out this day low, then they will go to the upside. So we'll be expecting to see them give us something like this. A little push down, then after that, we see a push to the upside to take out this liquidity here. So if they give us this will be amazing. So we'll be targeting this level here. So, and this place here is also an order block. So let's go straight to 4-hour time frame and check it out. Good. So this is the level we'll be expecting to see the market come to. There's a block I'm talking about. So this place become a kind of a liquidity level for us. So we'll be going for to take out this liquidity to grab to hit this level. Once we hit this level, therefore here we might possibly begin to look forward for a reversal. You go back to a lower time frame like 1 hour, you will not see a kind of a block where they likely need to come back to mitigate before they go to the upside, which is this level here. So we're going to zoom out and get out what these guys are likely to do there. So we'll have this block, we'll have this block. This is another block that this market needs to come and grab here. If they come lower than this, that is good, right? This level. But this is what we're looking at least when they get here, we can now look for push to the upside. So that is what we're expecting from this particular trade. Then the next one is a little further look up here. So if this can come further down to be fine, but this is what we're looking at for now. CHF. Here's the CHF. Let's go straight to daily time frame. It played exactly as we anticipated because we want to see them come down. So they did exactly as we anticipated. So let's go back to daily time frame and see what we're looking at on daily time frame. So I'm going to zoom in. All right, I'm going to zoom in. I like grabbing trade on daily time frames, and when I do that, man, it's always something else. So here, markets has entered a fair value gap here. So what do we expect? A push on the upside. So this analysis is still 100%. So we are still on this analysis, and we're going to make the market, all right, so want to see them go up here. But possibly I would like to see them come back a little down to come and take out this liquidity down here. If there's no entry in lower time frame, they will take out this liquidity to come off a stop hunt of its day low. Then I'll grab a trade to go upside to take away all this liquidity that is resting above this level. So my bias is still on the upside. So I will be looking at 4-hour time frame. So anything that will make this market come back down here, all right, this should be a very good entry for me to go to the upside. You take your Fibonacci, this is our level here, which is this institutional level to take a trade to the upside. You've not subscribed to this channel, you don't used to like this channel, you don't used to share this channel, please. I want to help us do that so we can affect more lives and more persons can okay to this thing. The more you like, the more you share, is the more the algorithm show it to other persons who need this daily market analysis. Then we're going straight up to another one, which is NZD-USD. So NZD-USD gave us this particular move yesterday. So here we're zooming in on daily time frame to see what has happened and what will likely happen. So here we have market has entered this fair value gap. So we need a flush below this level. No matter what the market do, my bias here is going to be on sell. So I will be looking for, if I see a sell setup, I will take it. If I see a buy setup, I might ignore it. Except I see a flush. Once I see a flush above this particular level, then any setup I see is a killer setup. So that means I'm going to kill the market there. So I would like to see any form of manipulation of the market to the upside here. Once that is done, then push down. All right, this will be a very wonderful setup for me because here also we'll have a key structural level and also we'll have a breaker block here. So this is the level I'll be watching. So let's go to 4 hours. So I'm zooming out. This is the breaker block that we'll have. So So anything that will make this market go up to hit this level. So this place that was established is like an inducement level, this market inducement level. And also there's a liquidity level for us. We need to take out this liquidity before we move. So I would like to see something like this happen. Okay. Something like this happen. Good. The next one is NASDAQ. NASDAQ had told us that we want to see a flush on the upside, that market will need to enter this fair value gap here, which market did then push on the upside. So entering from this place, any buy setup we see will take it to take away this liquidity. And because this also an inducement level for us, so best already on sell. So right now we'll go back and collect whatever they've made, then we hit their stop losses, then before we take the straight to downside. So this analysis is still superb. So we are still on this particular analysis. Or looking at US30, US30, we anticipated a reversal somewhere here, but as you can see, guys, market really went up as we analyzed, but then there's no need for reversal right now. Now we have to go back to higher time frame, like daily time frame, and check out what we're looking at on daily time frame. Now I'm taking out this level, all right, because this setup has been violated. So here we are seeing this, and I can see something here. I'm going to weekly time frame. Let me see if I can see something there. I can't really see anything here apart from trade into this fair value gap to flush this high. That means up to flush this high. So the best setup here is going to be long. It'll be long. I'm going to go for little time, small time frame. So here we'll have all these going up. So I would like to see any kind of push to the upside. Good. Looking at nice one. So this market, of course, we know is going to go to the upside, but then we need to know what must happen first. So here we have fair value gap. So if I see something like this, tap into this place, then find a way to come down, tap into this fair value gap here, and possibly this level, then I will be on a buy to the upside, because I like taking my trade at discounted level. So I always ask myself, where is discounted level for me in this particular market? What does this market have to offer me? All right. So here I have a fair value gap. I have a break of market structure. If I see any return to this place, I'll take a trade to the upside. Then if I go back to my 4-hour time frame, of course, you know that we want to see a pullback. Want to see a pullback at least 50%. Then we'll take a trade to the upside. So we'll be targeting the upside. Then this is USDJPY, USDJPY, this daily time frame, daily time frame. So I'm taking out this so you can see the market clearly. So market has been mitigated here. So it put back, all right, fill this level, tap into the fair value gap. So I would like to see a reason to take a trade to the upside. A reason to take a trade to the upside. So I'll be aiming, if I see any push back to this level here, then I'll be aiming up here, this particular other block that is resting here. This is the block. So I'll be aiming that level. Then I need to go back to 4 hours so we can see clearly. So this is a block. It's a block. So market has hit this level. So next time market is coming, it will just it will break it because this has been mitigated. So this level here, you see, market has already entered here. So we still have this, fair value gap here. We still have this fair value gap here. So we're expecting to see a push into this fair value gap and then come back down, take away this liquidity, tap into this level here. All right, once it enter this level here, I'll be expecting to see a push to the upside. that will take out that level. That is what I'll be expecting to see out of this trade, right? So GBPJPY, GJ, we see market need to pull back, tap into this level for us, which is amazing. Market has done that. So as market has done that, market also left something here, a print for us. And that is why they might not likely come back again, because this area here has been mitigated. All right. So we are going to take up this one. Then what do you expect? You expect a kind of a push to this level here, then targets down. Why DEX? If you watch, you see we have a fair value gap here. Have a fair value gap here. So this is the level we're watching. Once market has entered this level, I'll be looking for a sell setup to set this market down. Right? That is it. So here I will go to daily time frame so I can make this point clear. Let's zoom in. So here we have market break structure to downside, then pull back to this level. So we need to see a flush down. Let's go back to 3 hours. 3 hours. In 3 hours, market needs to trade into this fair value gap and then flush down. And so this level here you see is a trend line liquidity, right? So retail traders already have trend line here and they will be buying here to go up. So once we enter here, we flush down to grab the liquidity and we'll be targeting this level. So that is what we'll be looking at. So this is where we draw the curtain for today's analysis. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. If you have any question, hit me up. You want to join our academy, chat me up, all right? Or visit fxpg.com.ng. Thank you very much, and see you guys at the other side. Love you all.